Hey, what's up guys? Fred Ryder here, and I've been gone for a couple of months. I think my last video was Windleton. Let's put it up right there so you guys can see it and watch it. But yeah, I just gotta say it's been slow, but I'm gonna try to upload at least once a week. So it's better than uploading every now and then. But the car is still here. There's really nothing bad. There's a bonsai tree growing on it, but that's besides the point. It's good. That's all I wanted to tell you. I haven't sold it or anything. Next week's video will be a video of pretty much what I have planned out for my Eagle Talon. It hasn't been driven because I was fixing the gas tank. I did not record that because it sort of just happened. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's a quick update, and I'll see you guys next week.